Hey folks, this is immigration attorney Hassan Abdullah here in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'm preparing this video to explain the concept of negative control in terms of E-2 visas. So, for example, let's just say you have a business that's worth $200,000 and you have two foreign nationals who both want to get an E-2 visa, and they want to both own that business on a 50-50 basis. Even if one investor puts down, $70,000 and the other puts down $130,000, for example, to purchase the business, you can still structure it so that it's a joint venture where each owns 50% of the value of the business. In that case, you have what is called negative control. And that allows both investors to actually get an E-2 visa. So I'm going to explain the source of this rule. If you look into the Foreign Affairs Manual, which is 9 FAM 4151 Note 12, there's a specific section there which talks about controlling interest. And it states specifically an equal share of the investment in a joint venture or an equal partnership of two parties generally does give controlling interest if the joint venture and partner each retain full management rights and responsibilities. This arrangement is called negative control, with each of the two parties possessing equal responsibilities. They each have the capacity of making decisions that are binding on the other party. So this is actually a great option that two people might have if they both want to pool their funds, pool their assets, resources, knowledge together, set up a joint business, and both get the E-2 visa. And often not many people understand or realize that this is an option, but you can actually get two for the price of one. You can get two E-2 visas as primary investors if you set it up in a way that follows this negative control rule. So the way that works again is it has to be a 50-50 ownership and control setup. So the articles of organization or the articles of basically organization indicate that each party has equal rights and control of the business. Even if the investment amounts are different, you have a situation of negative control. Now, by extension, what if you have three partners? You can't get this to work because basically you can't have really a controlling ownership if it can be a situation where you got two against one. So, you can't be 33% each person and get E-2 visas for everybody. That's not how it works, because one of the requirements of an E-2 visa is that you have the authority to control and direct the business. So you can only retain that at the most with two partners. But if you go beyond that, then the negative control aspect doesn't work, and you can't actually apply as a primary investor for three people. So it can only work for two. But this is obviously an ideal solution to many people who want to try to, maybe partner with someone, and they both want to maybe bring their families to the United States as dependents on their E-visa, and this allows more people to immigrate on this. Well, this allows more people to come here on the E-2 visa than what you normally would do, which is have one investor, one applicant for the E-2 visa. You can actually do this, but again, it has to be structured where it's 50-50. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.